Hey, welcome back to Math with Patrick. Today is April 18th, and we're solving problem number 108 from the Daily Epsilon calendar. And this problem is just silly. Like, what's going on here? We have fractions in fractions in fractions. Ridiculous. Well, let's just show why this weird hourglass-shaped number is actually just 18. Let's work inside out. Like, I think the best thing to do here is figure out what like these fractions are so that we can then solve for these fractions so that finally we can just solve for the big fraction and then just show that it's 18. Okay, well, let's try it out. I'm also going to just take the 2 plus 2 plus 2 and call it a 6. That's just kind of clear to me. And then also this is a 4 divided by a 2, which is just 2. So that kind of clears up the top a little bit. And then like my goal or like my idea, my plan was to go inside out. So I'm looking here right now. This is just 4 divided by 4. So that makes a 1 here. And then same dealio, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And like it's kind of hard to read it with all these fraction bars. Like that's kind of why you can hear this little tone of disdain in my voice. Like they're just better ways to write fractions. But the way to read it is that like each of these fraction bars implies that you do like that fraction first. Like so this is another fraction. I'm doing this part. And then I'll try to do these medium-sized fraction bars and then finally this long one. Let me also erase all those little parentheses. Don't really need those. Okay, great. So I simplified a lot of stuff already. I can simplify even further up top. 6 divided by 2, that's just 3. And then 1 divided by 6, I can't really simplify that further right now. So I'm going to just leave that be. So I have 3 divided by 1/6. There's a lot of different ways to think about what's going on here. The first way is you could think about this as a division problem. So like 3 divided by 1/6. You could just count up how many 1/6 fit in the number 3. You could, count by your 1/6. Eventually, once you have 6 of them, that makes one whole. And so you would get essentially 18 of these 1/6 fitting in the number 3. A little bit strange to think of it that way, but it does work. That's today's date. Another way to think about this is actually going way back up to the start. What if I don't even care to like simplify that 6 over 2? You could also do fraction division as fraction multiplication instead. As long as you keep the first one the same, so it's still 6 over 2 right now. And yeah, I know that's a number 3, but I just wanted to show a different strategy. And then instead of dividing by 1/6, you can multiply by its reciprocal, or the flip. So like if you change the multiplication to division, and if you change the last fraction by flipping it, it's kind of like you're doing the same like kind of reversal twice. It's like you undo it and then redo it. So this number still should be the same as, well, 18. And you can see with like the fraction multiplication strategies, you can just multiply straight across. We get 36 over 2. And then half of 36 is 18. So however you cut it, however you do it, this mess of numbers, this wacky fraction and fractions, it's just the number 18. So we're all done. Thanks for solving this with me. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.